It is my sincere wish that you would be able to offer this beautiful prayer to yourself and let go of all that has been preventing you from finding peace throughout your life. The things that have been preventing you from achieving calm are the fears, anxieties, and worries that you have over yourself. I have faith that you will be able to do this. It is my hope that you would make an effort to carry out this plan, even if it is just for a little period of time. This is the objective that I have established for you. This is due to the fact that when we make the effort to just sit in quiet, we are granted the chance to participate in a conversation with God and to nurture our souls, our beliefs, and our love. This is the reason why what we are doing is so important. Having said that, here is the rationale for this. At this point in time, it is of the utmost importance for us to place our 100% and complete confidence in Him. Taking this into consideration, I would like for you to shut your eyes and pay attention to what I have to say during this little period of peace and quiet. The mighty will continue to safeguard those individuals who seek refuge in the ark of the Most High even after they have safely departed the ark. This is because the mighty will continue to watch over them. The reason for this is because the mighty will continue to keep a watchful eye on them. I approach the Lord with complete self-assurance, and I declare, "You are my refuge and my fortress, my God, in whom I put my trust." I do this because I know that what I am doing is right. It is only through Him that you will be able to break free from the hold of the adversary and the terrible infection. This is the only method to do it. It is going to be a great protection that is going to be offered to you by the constancy of God. He is going to envelop you in His feathers, and you are going to find calm under His wings. This protection is going to be provided to you. It is possible that you may come across a variety of terrible happenings, such as night terrors, day arrows, shadow stalks, and the noon plague. These are only some of the situations that you could anticipate encountering. Additionally, there is a vast variety of extra goods that you could come across at some point in the future. If 10,000 of them fall on your right side and 1,000 fall on your left side, there is no way that they will get close to you. There is no way that they will come close to you. They are not going to come out and chat to you there. You just need to open your eyes and be a witness to the fact that those who are evil will have what is truly theirs taken away from them. This is something that will take place. As a boyfriend, you have entrusted the Lord, the Most High, with the duty of ensuring that you are protected during the duration of your relationship. Because He will send those angels of order to watch over your deeds, it is guaranteed that nothing untoward will happen to either you or your house. This is because He will monitor your conduct. Our angels will be sent to keep a watchful eye on everything you do, owing to the fact that He would continuously monitor your behavior and keep a close check on it. The fact that He seeks shelter in me will make it possible for me to save him, and the fact that He is acquainted with my name will assist to safeguard him. It is my intention to come to his aid. They are going to help you stand up by using their own hands to rescue you from falling and crushing the snakes, vipers, and serpents that are around you. This is done to prevent you from falling and crushing the snakes, vipers, and serpents that are around you. The fact that He is familiar with my name is just another reason why I will shield him from potentially dangerous circumstances. In times of need He may call on me, and I will respond. Nevertheless, I will deliver him, not with honor or glory, but with a long life, and the assurance that he will experience my salvation, rather than bestow upon him these things. I will deliver him. It will be me who brings him to safety. Being surrounding by God affords you the advantage of peace, which is the protection that comes from being encircled by God. When you are surrounded by God, you are provided the benefit of peace. It is because you are surrounded by Him at this very moment that you should give Him all of your anxieties, troubles, and challenges, as well as anything else that causes you to cry tears while you are in the middle of stillness and isolation. He is standing right here next to you at this precise now. He is personally accountable for the advantageous circumstances that we find ourselves in, and this is because of the unlimited love that He has. Every time you do anything for the next time, you should not only demonstrate gratitude with all of your heart, but you should also trust to the greatest extent that you are able to. It is not necessary for you to experience feelings of isolation. In fact, I can guarantee that God will never abandon or forsake you ever again. Never in your life will He completely give up on you. It is not entirely hopeless that you are in this predicament. There are wholesalers situated in close proximity to the neighborhood that I call home, which belongs to Charo. Without a doubt, this place is without a doubt the most magnificent one that you will ever come across in your whole life. The manner that your life develops is going to undergo a transformation as a result of an event that is going to take place throughout your lifetime. Before you go, take a moment. Thank yourself for being here, for listening, for showing up today. You don't have to have everything figured out. Just keep taking small steps. I'll see you in the next story.